What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I'm in the Dodge Charger and we're going to be installing a SRT track style front splitter that we got from Extreme Online Store. I'm excited to see it on the car. Once you install a splitter on these Chargers, they look so much better. It's a 4-piece. It's got the middle and the two sides, and then a little add-on in the middle, like underneath the middle, so it gives it that track style look. It goes with some 3M tape and some self-tap screws, so it should be fairly easy to install. I already got it all opened up and I checked. The packaging is awesome, like always, from Extreme Online Store. The glossy black color is like very good too, so I'm excited to put it on and see how it looks. So let's get right into it. Get you some sounds on the way to the house real quick. Let me see. Little RT sound. Now let's get to it. All right, so we have it all out. Looks really good and gloss. And we went ahead and put these two pieces together, and these two pieces together is just holes here underneath, and use the tiny ones, right, just to put it all together. Now what we're gonna do is, it has instructions and everything is like super simple, pretty self-explanatory. You know, you put the two pieces together with the smaller screws, and then we go on to clean surfaces, put the tape, put it on the car with the screws and everything, and then put the last part. You don't tighten everything out, you don't take the strip off or anything all the way into the end. So right now we're gonna grab the tape, we're gonna put it all around the ledge. I'm gonna peel off the two corners. I'm gonna make a cut here in the little middle to peel out the two, so once we stick it on, we can pull this way or we can pull this way out. Once I have a little bit exposed here with tape and in the corners, we're gonna lift the car up, we're gonna bring it inside, we're gonna lift it up, we're gonna stick it up, make sure it all looks good. Once it all looks good, before I pull out the tape, I'm actually gonna use the self-tap and go through all the little holes and put the self-taps in, not super tight, but have it nicely done all the way in there. Once that looks good, we're gonna put on the final piece. Once the final piece goes under the center and everything looks good, then we'll pull out all the tape, put some pressure on, and then finish tighten all the self-tap screws, and that'll be it. So let's jump into the little pieces. All right, so it's peeled off to the edge, peeled off in the center, peeled off over here, so that way when we stick it on there, we can always pull it at the end, just in case we mess it up. We don't have to stick it all the way up. So let's put it on there, and I have the screws already ready down there, so when I think it's all center, we can just screw it in quickly as we can. So that part's done. Now we gotta add the other one with the smaller screws. If we get under, you can see they're all pretty good in there. They're all self-tap. It's pretty simple. So let's attach this piece with the little smaller screws and be done with it. All right, all done with the little smaller screws. We did stick one of the bigger ones in the edges because it's not gonna go through, and it'll hold on better since we had extra ones. Oh yeah, all done. Get it out of here and into the sun. Ooh, it's hot. A better place to see it than in the sun. It looks really good. Really, really good. makes the car look so aggressive. I hate how it looks red too right now. Like I can look at it with my own eyes, it's definitely orange, but in the video it's freaking red. And I'm not gonna edit it, not today, but this looks really good. Really, really good. Alright, so it's just too hot to be outside right now. So I'm just gonna talk here and show you some slow-mos. I mean, I already showed you in the video how good it looked and being outside. But all in all, it was a pretty simple install. You know, just 3M tape, cell tap screws, and call it a day. I want to thank Extreme Online Store for always hooking me up with their products. It definitely makes this car look way more aggressive. The car looks really good, really good. I love it. I know my wife's gonna love it when she sees it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We got some custom interior coming for this car. I think it just got to the house right now, so we'll install that this weekend. Also this weekend we're gonna go to the track. We got the Camaro, maybe the Charger if my wife wants to drive it, and for sure we got Eddie and the boosted Mustang, Omar and the Mustang GT with the U350R front end. So if Marty shows up in the Subaru, he shows up, we'll see. Rob's gonna bring the Mach 1. I think he's just gonna record and take pictures. He's not actually gonna race, but we'll see. Hopefully it's a Sunday fun day. But you know what to do. Let me know in the comments what you think. It's pretty simple install. Car looks really, really good. And you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that crap. So see y'all later. Peace.